Good morning to everybody, men and women, especially senior citizen of India and the whole world. My name is Subhash Chandra, senior citizen, 70 plus. Welcome to my channel, Obesity, Senior Citizen and Bodybuilding. Please subscribe, share and like. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Stay young and keep fit. Now I am going to show you about Indian push-ups, that's also called Deshi Dand. As we can say Deshi ghee or Deshi cow milk, it is a Deshi Dand. I will show it to you, which is very strong for everybody. Now I remembered one dialogue from the Sholay, ये हाथ मुझको दे दे ठाकुर नहीं, ये हाथ मुझको दे दे ठाकुर नहीं. What I mean to say is, ये हाथ नहीं हथौड़ा है, ये हाथ नहीं हथौड़ा है. This is not hands, this is hammer. This is not hand, this is hammer. So much of strength we have in our hands and the body. By doing this exercise, we will get so much of stamina and energy from this Indian exercise, which is also called Dand and which is called push-ups. I request every young generation, especially athletes and sports person, to do this exercise so that stamina will increase for them and they can very well they can win the competition in their particular field of sports. This much guarantee I can give. So much of energy we have in that exercise. And one more thing also I will tell you, like obesity, one who has obesity, nowadays a small young people who are 30, 35, they are getting bellies also. This also will be reduced and obesity also will be reduced by doing all these exercises. Everybody can do it, not only men, even women can do it, this exercise. Don't be under the impression that this exercise meant for only men. No, for women also this exercise meant, even girls, young girls and boys, everybody can increase their stamina, which is very essential in nowadays. Now coming to the point, I will tell you, I had been to one Brahma temple, the first temple on this earth, which is in Rajasthan. I went there. It is saying is written in the Hindi, जिसके जीवन में आग्रह नहीं है, जिसके जीवन में आग्रह नहीं है, उनको ग्रह का कोई मतलब नहीं है. Understood now? जिसके जीवन में आग्रह नहीं है, उनको ग्रह से कोई मतलब नहीं है. What it means is, one whose mind is calm, quiet, undisturbed, in a balanced condition in every situation of the life, for that particular man, the impact of planets will not be there. Effect of planets will not be there to such a person. To get this nature of this thing, one has to meditate. Then only we will get that nature. Let us meditate just for 1 minute. Before doing any kind of physical work, any kind of work, we have to keep our mind peace, calm. So we have to go for meditation for 1 minute, approximately. Now I will show you Dand and Baitak, which is very important part of our life. Okay? I will show it to you. Now, this thing, first I will show you Dand. How many varieties of Indian Dand, or you can say Indian push-ups, Deshi Dand. I will show it to you. I am doing as per my body condition. Everybody has to do like that only. Now I will start. You keep your hands with the breadth of your chest like this. Like this you can keep. And legs also like that. According to your convenience you can keep. Now you can start doing dand. The first set I have shown it to you. See, you should do according to your body condition. Actually, I do totally 80 dands. Because of time factor, I am showing you just how we have to do it. Now, it is a very good tip for the, what I mean to say, one who has sugar. While doing exercise, if the sugar level comes down or dehydration takes place, you can go for small sugar like this. You can eat sugar, you can go for water, you can go for some juice also. And whenever sugar level goes down, you sit for some time, relax yourself. When you get again your body in a perfect condition, get up and do this exercise. Okay, that's very important. You have to do according to your body condition. In the meantime, you can do some physical drill exercise where you will be relaxed like that. See, this, what I am saying is, people cannot stand for a long time. It's only due to the balance of the mind. This comes with meditation. With meditation, balance of the mind is always retained, which is very important to lead the life. For instance, I am doing like this. I can stay for a long time. It's only the balance it requires. So you have to meditate. Now you can do like this also. Any kind of exercise you feel to do it, it's all called drill. Now I will show another set of dand, push-ups. You keep your hands little away from your chest, wide, keep your hands wide, legs wide. That's also kind of exercise where these shoulders are big. I will show you. Like this you can take measurement, keep something like this. It's a bit of the hands. Then legs also you can keep little bit away. Now, one more type I will show you, which is very ancient Indian. It's like that. Now I will get up. I can do more push-ups, but only time factor, I am showing you the types. Now I will show you one more, which is called diamond push-ups. You have to keep this hand like that, that's called diamond push-ups. Now another one which is very hard and tough, that is push-up or from or dand from your fingers. Don't try unless you have confidence. And push up on your knuckles. And one more exercise which is good for our physical obesity. It reduces our stomach also. That 4 sets I will show it. You can go for some water if you feel dehydration in the body. Only little, not more. Now I will show you this, as I said, on the finger, on the knuckle, diamond push-ups, whatever according to your body condition, that you have to do it. Now I will show you diamond push-ups. You do according to your strength. Actually, we have to take rest after one kind of exercise. Then we can do next exercise further. Very good. So this is, see, this is a diamond shape of hand. You have to keep like this. Again like this, hand, legs. See, you have to keep your back straight. No bend like this. You have to keep it straight. You can take rest here itself. I will show you one more, that is on the knuckles and these fingers. Very difficult. Even if you are able to do 2 or 3, that's enough. You will get a lot of strength in the hand. I said no, hath will become hatoda. These are all the things. See, this is some fingers. See, on the fingers I am doing. It's very difficult process. By practice it will come. That is the secret of our Indian Danda and Baitak that I wanted to tell everybody. See, if there is a competition between Dangal and this gym exercise, Dangal and Dumbbell, definitely Dangal will win. There is one video also, you can see Dangal versus Dumbbell. You open it in Google and see it. Okay. Now I will show you on the knuckles. See, this on the knuckle. Okay? 1 or 2 enough, you don't have to do hundreds. See, this bend or push up on the knuckle. This is the way how you have to do it. I am reminding again and again, one who has BP and sugar, they should be very careful. As soon as they feel that there is a sugar, low sugar in the body, you have to go for some sugar. If you feel dehydration also, you have to go. Not only senior citizen, everybody who has BP and sugar. This last one I will show you. It's not very tough. It requires little energy, patience and strength. With this exercise, obesity will be 100% will reduce. Even other exercise also. Because these are all exercises are heavy exercise. Unless and until you do heavy exercise, sweat will not come out of your body. Then obesity will remain as it is. This I will show it another. You have to keep your back straight. Okay? Be in this position as much possible as you can. It's a very good exercise. Men, women, even of one who is having a lot of obesity, young girls, everybody, even beginners also, to avoid obesity, they can do in the starting itself. Isn't it? Now, this is the way how we have to do that. Now, wait for my next video. I will show you about Indian squat, that is Indian bite. I will show it. You have a patience. Listen carefully. Do yourself. It is a very good exercise, I am telling you. It keeps you fit for lifelong. Okay? Keep fit, stay young. Namaskar. See you. Bye bye.